In yesterday's Bubble of the Day, I discussed the confusing media coverage over housing. It can be difficult to clearly assess things when there are so many strongly conflicting views around. Today I hope to simplify the issues to assist people in gaining some clarity. Arguments for continued strength in housing markets revolve around fundamentals: strong household formation, especially due to immigration, and undersupply. These arguments, from my reading of the financial news, are accurate and credible, but in my view the conclusion is incorrect. I remain strongly of the view that Australian house prices will fall significantly for one major reason. Markets can go for long periods when they do not trade according to their fundamentals. It is called an asset bubble when prices are well above fundamental values. Let's think for a second about the previous asset bubble, the tech bubble, because now the bubble psychology is completely past and everybody accepts it was a bubble. But at the time, the tech bubble was said to be driven by fundamentals, the profound effect that the internet would have on our lives. The Nasdaq reached over 5,000 in the year 2000. The Nasdaq has since crashed down around 60% and has not been above 3,000 again. But let's consider the fundamentals. In my view, the internet has changed our lives profoundly and continues to do so. So the analysis was correct, but pricing got way too high because people just got too optimistic and the market began trading on the upward momentum, not genuine valuation. I would suggest that exactly the same thing has happened in the housing bubble. Sure, there are fundamentals at work, but these fundamentals have not justified the price movements over the last 5 or 6 years. Australian house prices are well and truly overpriced relative to fundamental measures such as rental yield and first home buyer affordability. It is a long stretch indeed to expect house prices to trade on fundamentals from here. More likely, house prices will drop to the point where fundamentals should have taken them if the bubbles did not occur. And I would suggest that is at least 30% down from current levels in most capital cities. And if markets misprice on the downside, then prices could go much lower. Thank you. www.geocities.com/homes4aussies. Standing up for affordable housing for all Australians. Written and spoken by Dr. Brett Edgerton, founder of Homes 4 Aussies.